After the unforgettable moments spent among the fascinating rock formations of Spitzkop, today we set off to reach our next stop. Despite the only 200 kilometers to travel, we left early because in Africa time and distances follow their own rules. The roads often reserve surprises, and at 1:30 p.m., we have an appointment in Walvis Bay with the tour operator who will guide us on a unique adventure aboard the 4x4S on the dunes. On the way to Cape Cross, we were immersed in an unexpected atmosphere. Thick fog and a palpable humidity enveloped everything, creating an almost surreal landscape. The coast, known as the Skeleton Coast for its extreme conditions and the wrecks that at its beaches, is also famous for this changeable climate. The fog, suspended and silent, made the road a long corridor and made the horizon vanish into a gray and fascinating mystery. An unexpected contrast after days of scorching sun and endless skies, which reminded us how Namibia can be at the same time wild and unpredictable. Cape Cross is a dramatic promontory on the Atlantic coast of Namibia, surrounded by rugged coastal landscapes and wilderness. Today, a protected nature reserve, the area holds significant historical significance. It was here that, in January 1486, the Portuguese navigator Diogo Cão landed during his exploration of West Africa, marking the first European landing on the coast of Namibia. To commemorate the event, the navigator erected a stone cross, the famous Cape Cross, to mark the southernmost point then reached by Europeans in Africa, a symbol that encapsulates centuries of stories of navigation and discovery. Today, Cape Cross is famous not only for its historical value, but also for being home to one of the world's largest fur seal colonies. The colony numbers in the thousands, with numbers varying with the season and environmental conditions. The cold Benguela Current, which flows along the coast, brings an abundance of fish, providing the seals with a constant food source and contributing to the colony's vibrancy. The wild beauty of Cape Cross attracts many visitors, eager to see the seals in their natural habitat up close and to immerse themselves in a place rich in history. The Cape Cross experience is a true sensory immersion, an incredible sight that takes us back to the images of nature documentaries, but experienced live, with all our senses fully involved. As soon as we got off the truck, we were immediately struck by the acrid smell that permeates the air, and in August early in the morning, by a biting cold. Afterwards, the hearing is overwhelmed by the hoarse and intense calls of the sea lions that mix with the sound of the Atlantic waves, creating a unique and surprisingly chaotic natural symphony. Walking along the wooden walkway that winds through the rocks, you can admire the incredible liveliness of the colony. Thousands of seals crowd the beach and the surrounding rocks, each intent on their own activities. Some bask in the sun, others argue noisily about territory, while the pups, cute and funny, suckle from their mothers in positions that are nothing short of bizarre. Every now and then, dozens of seals dive into the sea with agility, disappearing among the foaming waves and re-emerging shortly after, almost as if to renew the spectacle for those who observe. Cape Cross is a unique place where nature shows its strength and complexity. The time has come to leave Cape Cross. Along the road to Walvis Bay, you come across stalls with salt crystals on display. There are no sellers. The prices are indicated on signs, and you buy by leaving money in the appropriate jars.